MoolahMap is a simple yet powerful feature of MoolahPlan that helps you visualize your savings plan easily. When you enter your current savings amount and your savings rate per month, MoolahMap provides you with year-over-year savings numbers that allow you to plan journeys with confidence. Let's see how it works. On the budget page, click Update Current Savings. For amount in savings, enter the amount you currently have in your savings account. If you are starting fresh, just leave it as 0.00. Then for your expected monthly savings rate, enter the amount you plan to save each month. Then click Submit. The savings card shows you your monthly savings rate and your current savings. It also provides you with your expected year-end savings along with the following end-of-year savings number. Now let's dive a bit more into MoolahMap. Click MoolahMap in the navigation bar. As stated previously, MoolahMap is a powerful tool that gives you a clear picture of the future state of your finances. When you add a journey to MoolahMap, you can see how it will affect your year-over-year savings. The anticipated savings card has a cool charting feature that lets you see how your journeys impact your savings. For this demo, I will add a journey for a tire replacement, which I expect to pay around $800. Since I am recording this demo in October, let's plan to have the tires replaced January of 2025. As you can see, with consistency, the $800 expense has minimal impact on my year-over-year savings numbers. Let's add another journey for a vacation in 2026. For this vacation, we want to spend around $2,500. With the vacation now added to MoolahMap, you can easily see how the trip you've always dreamed of can become a reality, without the worry of where you'll stand financially afterward. Thank you for watching. Feel free to replay any videos in this tutorial to get more comfortable using the application.